All right, guys. So in this video of XRP, I'm really going to do an in-depth dive, right? So this is suggesting if we do enter this bull run for 2025 election, let's just say the cards play fair. Donald Trump's elected, Gary Gensler is fired. This is a selective view on a majority of analysts, crypto enthusiasts, and technical analysts standpoint. So we've seen Bitcoin surge to 73,000, right? 500. And we've seen XRP in this narrow range of 51 cents to 53 cents. So the lack of upward movement for XRP during this bullish period is catching a lot of investors and analysts off guards, right? So a lot of people are being optimistic that XRP will eventually embark on its own upward trajectory, right? It usually is late to the bull run regardless, right? Coming to the blow off top, etc. So I already have my assessment with Bitcoin hitting the low 90s, right? But other analysts suggest that Bitcoin can go to 115 and 130. Which does make logical sense. We do see it, and some targets are ranging from 200,000 to 500,000 for Bitcoin. This can take a year or two, etc. But these are their all-time high suggestions. Realistic ones, we can go for mine because I'm a very analytical chart analyst. I see low 90s. There are other notably good analysts that suggest 115, 130. These are all very probable, right? This isn't blowing smoke and hype to and shilling the crypto community. These are very logical ones. Now the 200, 500,000. These analysts suggest other world renowned effects, right? That could take an effect that continue to make Bitcoin dominant. This is actual plausible. These are not this is not blowing smoke, right? But this is a lot of things have to happen for this to play out for those price targets. Okay, let's just jump back. A plausible target for XRP. This is extremely plausible. $5. Why would this be very, very plausible? Because that only puts the market cap of approximately $500 billion, right? That's not a $2 trillion, $3 trillion, $5 trillion market cap. A $500 billion market cap for XRP that is used globally around the world is very, very analytically possible. It's very plausible with market cap. If you've seen stocks, if you've seen companies, and if you've seen how other things run properly, that is very, very possible, guys. So I am in XRP right now. I've stated, I've made multiple videos. I'm not afraid to lose, right? The joke's on us XRP holders because worst case scenario, XRP is a stable coin, right? We're in bullish environments. It's just ranging from 50 cents, right? The all-time low that I've seen in the past 4 years is 19 to 17 cents, and that was a delisting. That was a lawsuit threatening. That was Gary Gensler attacking it at its finest, right? That's the lowest that I've seen XRP in the past 4 years. In a range, I've seen it anywhere from the 36, 38 to 45. And I've seen it as high as in the 60 cent, 70 cent range, etc. in the past 2 years, from 2024 to 2022, etc. So would I be willing to take the risk to reward factor to see $5? That's a 10x, right? That is 10x hands down. I don't care how you look at it. I don't care if it takes 8 months. I don't care if it takes 6 months. I don't care if it's hit in May in 2025. I don't have to worry about decay, right? I do not have to worry about my options because I'm an options professional trader in the stock market. I do not have to worry about anything. All I have to do is allocate a few dollars into the XRP community, into the XRP token, sit there and watch if it goes up. If it does not go up, okay, let me explain this to you guys. In a favorability environment, I cannot foresee XRP losing, right? So if I'm gonna let me break it down to you. Millions and millions of people just have money sitting in the bank. 1, 2, 3 years later, nothing happens. They've gained nothing from the money from the banks, right? It just sits there. Why not take a chance of a few dollars sitting in XRP, right? Worst case, it's a stable coin. It doesn't go anywhere. It just sits at that same price range. Everything else blows off. Best case scenario, You see the $3. You see the $5. You see real hype. We see the world getting into different effects of changing. Those cross-border payments, right, start to come up, start to really trend high. $7, $8, $9, $10. We're sitting in 20x now, guys. What do you have to lose? It's not like you're investing in XRP at $3 right now. It's not like you're investing at XRP at $1.50, $1.70. I've told you catastrophic events with XRP. 17 cents, 19 cents is the lowest that I've ever seen XRP, right? In the bull cycle, the second bull cycle of XRP's bull cycle, and it was a delisting and it was an SEC lawsuit. Dropped the price, right? And let's just note that it was dropped from one of the biggest major player exchanges in America, Coinbase, right? So taking that off of Coinbase leaves a majority of retail traders not knowing how to get a hold of XRP, and it's still sat at 17, 19 cents. It's back on the biggest platform, exchanges, etc. You have nothing, in my opinion, to lose, guys. Like I've stated, if it drops in the 40-cent range, it will rebound immediately. If this takes off at 50 cents, you know where it's going to go. It's going to fly. We have the second all-time high of $1.50, $1.80. We want to test that. We have the first all-time high, right? We have it in 2018 when it was in the $3.50 range. And then we have the realistic price target at $5, giving it a market cap of $500 billion, guys. This is very, very insane. And what if it did go to $15? That is 30x, guys. So I'm going to be very bullish, right? I'm going to be very, very, very bullish on XRP because I think you have a lot to gain versus lose, right? There's so many crypto projects out there where you can lose versus gain. We've seen it. Go pull up a chart. Go look at XRP. Go see how low it's been in the past 4 years. Go see how high it's been in the past 4 years. And look at the median range. It is not going anywhere from 42 to 55 cents. That is the 2-year average, guys. I'm not making this up. This is chart analysis. You're going to have money sitting in the bank account. If I was going to take a chance and the joke was on us that XRP is a stable coin, I would literally let it allocate and look at it a year or two from here and see what the heck has happened. Worst case, you're completely even. Best huge case, come on guys, $4, $5, $10, $15. And let's not suggest Quant, right? Not suggest Quant trading as well. That market cap is insane. That can go to the 3K mark. I've already stated and made videos on that. You guys do your own due diligence. I feel you guys are going to see some great movement in the upcoming months. Election is literally November 5th tomorrow. This video is on November 4th. This is going to be a major player. This is going to, I think this definitely makes a lot of people wealthy, especially if you invest in Quant and XRP combo together. People are going to make a lot of money. A lot of people are going to be very, very happy, I think, in the next year with these two cryptocurrencies, right? You have XRP and you have Quant, guys. Do your due diligence. This is the video of the day. I hope you guys take this knowledge and this news and you guys make your own educated decision. You're not getting in Quant at $350, right? I'm not shilling Quant to you guys at $300. It's at 58 bucks. I'm not FOMOing everybody to get in XRP at $1.50, $2. It's not there. It's at 50 cents, right? We have a median average weighted price where it's literally sitting. I really don't feel you guys can lose, right? Worst case, Joe, you wasted our time. I kept my money in there for a year. Oh, well, you didn't lose. Pull it out now, guys. What's the difference between keeping it in a bank versus the so-called stable coin, right? The joke's on us, guys. The joke's not on us if this runs 10, 15, 30x, right? The joke's not us. I really see this as a very low risk to losing, high reward, right? I don't want to say high reward risk because I don't think there's a lot of risk. You will just be laughed at if it just sits there for the next year in the same price target while everything else moons. But if it doesn't sit there and it flies, you'll thank me. You'll thank me a lot. Hope you guys liked this video. Joe W Trades. Like, subscribe, comment. I will give you my input and my analysis, guys. Thank you.